What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on 5G hotspot on your mobile phone, on your Android device. All you have to do is swipe up and you want to open up settings. If you're not able to find settings here, go ahead and search for it and you will find settings. Tap on that. Then click on connections at the top there and you want to open up your mobile hotspot on tethering. Now, you want to go ahead and turn on your mobile hotspot by toggle it on, and then you want to tap on it. From here, you find your network name, you find your password, and you also find band. Now, if you tap on the band, you can go ahead and put this up to 5G. So if you move this connectivity upwards to the right hand side, you now see that you have the 5G preferred set there. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you go ahead and click on save, that will go ahead and set the 5G for you here. And as you can see, it's now enabled, and you now enable your hotspot in 5G. Very easy and very simple.